Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok algorithm not working. Well, to fix a TikTok algorithm that is quote-unquote not working, whether it is showing irrelevant content on your For You page or failing to push your own videos to viewers, there are a couple of steps you can follow. The first being resetting or refreshing your feed. And in order to do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your TikTok application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, then tap on the top right triple lines icon. Finally, tap on settings and privacy. Once you're inside of here, simply tap on content preferences. Here, you want to simply go ahead and tap on refresh your For You feed and click on start. So it is as simple as that. You can simply go ahead and choose why you're refreshing your feed as well. And that is about it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.